Shauna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. Hashtag Make the Move 7408 Sungold Meadow Court, WestBay home. 4 beds, 2 baths, 2,072 square feet, private saltwater pool, Waterset. 7408 Sungold Meadow Court is a well-maintained pool home built in 2018 by WestBay. This popular Sandpiper floor plan is set on a private lot in the vibrant Waterset community. Inside you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths across 2,072 square feet, featuring high ceilings and tall door frames throughout. The open-concept floor plan centers around a spacious kitchen with 42 light shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas range, designer backsplash, huge island for prepping meals and eating space, a large walk-in pantry, and ceramic tile flooring that flows through the main living areas. The owner's suite is tucked privately away and offers ample space and comfort. The owner's ensuite bath has large walk-in closet space and dual vanities. Secondary bedrooms are at the front of the house, making this a flexible floor plan where one can easily be converted to office space. Sliding glass doors open from the living room to a covered lanai and fully fenced backyard, where you'll enjoy your private saltwater pool with fiber-optic lighting. Waterset is known for its resort-style amenities, including 4 pools, lap pool and water slides included, 2 fitness centers, a game room, tennis, basketball, pickleball, sand volleyball courts, 20-acre outdoor sports complex, shops, more than 10 parks and playgrounds, 12 miles of trails, and off-leash dog parks. Additional home features include natural gas HVAC, hurricane shutters,